Hey guys, welcome to our new home tour. This is our house that's being built in Central Texas by Stylecraft Builders. This is the Lyndon plan and it is still very much under construction. We are not set to close for several more weeks. Lots of the builder grade stuff we are eventually going to upgrade, but this is the home tour so far. So this is just a construction update for you. They've brought in all the doors, they've painted. This house has great storage, lots of little closets. Every space is utilized. The best part about it is the sight lines. If you're in the living room, you can see all the way into the foyer. It's not a super large home. It's around 1,600 to 1,700 square feet. Beautiful light fixtures in the kitchen. We just love the openness of the plan. You may hear noise in the background. My kids are practicing soccer, so I wanted to go ahead and record this for you guys and get it up for you. One of the neatest things is, like I said, the storage. The bedrooms are large. Even though they appear small on video, they're actually pretty large for our area here in Central Texas. You don't get a lot of square feet for your money, but you don't need it. We're kind of downsizing a little bit from where we were. We're gonna love having just the right amount of space. This home is 4 bedrooms, and I think I mentioned before, this is the Lyndon plan by Stylecraft. And if you go in here, you can also see this is the home office, and it's going to have great arches or, corbels over the window there. Just has a real nice bit of storage there in the closet. And this is the smaller of the 4 bedrooms. And then if you go in here, you're going to see the really nice little bathroom. This is the children's bathroom. And great light fixtures. Of course, there's no electrical on yet. They're still installing things. We're going to have granite countertops. Also, we're going to have window treatments already installed for the wood blinds. And this week they've completed the painting on it. So all the trim work and the walls have now been painted. So now we're going to go back out into the living area, kind of going into the master. So this is where the master bedroom is. I like the privacy. They installed all the light fixtures today. So got a ceiling fan in Texas. It's a must. It's 110 degrees here during the summer months. If you go into, this is like the master suite, and then it's got the ensuite next to it with a very, very large master closet and a relatively small master bath for our area. But we don't need a whole lot. It's just a perfect size for us. They still have a bunch of cleanup to do. The tile work that's going to go in here is going to be a faux marble looking tile, porcelain tile, and it's just appointed really nicely. And the closet in the master is what I really like. It's got tons and tons of storage, and I'm kind of a shoe person, so it'll have plenty of room for my shoes and my accessories and all the fun things. So that is pretty much it. We'll wrap up here in the kitchen, and then I've gone ahead at the end of this video and dropped in a few still pictures so you can kind of see a couple of our favorite features. You might see my son peeking around the corner, but the light fixtures are one of my favorite features of the house. And then also just an overview of the kitchen. Again, like I said, we're gonna have granite countertops and appliances and everything, and you'll see. And this is Stylecraft's information if you care to call them and get your new home too. We love Stylecraft, and we are very thankful for our home.